Welcome to another edition of Bosch Solves. Today we're tackling a common complaint from our customer, brakes that feel squishy or spongy. Let's get started and see what's going on. Our first step is to perform a rapid DTC scan on the ADS 525X or ADS 625X diagnostic scan tool to check for any trouble codes. As expected, no codes were found, so we need to dig deeper. We'll check a few things, including the master cylinder, to see if its fluid is low, and we'll look for any indication of a leak. Everything checks out, but the fluid color looks a bit darker. This could likely mean that there's moisture in the brake fluid, so let's test for moisture and contamination. We'll start with a quick pass-fail test using the 4598.3 brake fluid tester. Unfortunately, the test fails, so we need to do a more in-depth analysis using the OTC 3890 brake fluid safety meter. The results of the test show excessive moisture and contamination in the brake fluid, which can seriously impact braking performance and safety. Our next step is to draw out the old brake fluid from the calipers and lines using one of our trusted OTC products. For this job, we recommend either the 8104A set brake bleeder with autofiller set or the 8101 set brake bleeder fluid evacuation with autofiller set. Once the old fluid is removed, we'll replace it with the new Bosch Easy 632N Easy brake fluid, a high-quality fluid that lasts longer than traditional DOT fluids. But we're not done yet. To ensure top-notch braking performance, we'll also swap out the old brake pads for new Bosch BE340 blue disc brake pads. These pads feature revolutionary engineering and advanced friction formulations for quiet and clean performance. We'll do a test drive to ensure everything is operating as it should. Finally, we'll do one more rapid DTC scan on the ADS 625X diagnostic scan tool to ensure there are no codes and verify that the brake issue has been resolved. Once everything checks out, we'll get the vehicle back to the customer, ensuring safe and reliable braking performance. Bosch, the global leader in the automotive aftermarket, providing solutions for every shop.